Hi everyone, welcome into JMeter tutorial. JMeter is an open source tool designed for performance and load testing of applications. It helps developers and testers measure how well a system performs under various conditions by simulating multiple users accessing the application. We can perform the application load performance and stress testing by using Apache JMeter. It is an open source. Why we use Apache JMeter? We can perform the performance testing and we can set the lot of user accessing it at the same time. Same as well, we can perform the load testing by using JMeter, and it works with different types of application protocol like web, FTP, and databases. JMeter is easy to use and it is a user-friendly interface. It is an open source. You do not need to pay any amount for using this tool because it is an open source. In JMeter provides the clear reports and you can view the results, and it integrates with other tools in development process. You can integrate the JMeter with Selenium for automation testing. In this tutorial, we will cover how to download the Java setup environment variables. After this setup environment variables, I will show you how you can verify whether the Java installed and working properly in a machine, and then download the JMeter. After this, I will show you how to run the JMeter. So let's begin. I have already downloaded the Java. So I will show you how to verify the setup environment variables in a system. Click on search and search here, edit the system environment variables. Click on environment variables. Now you can create the new system variables. Just enter here Java underscore home and the complete paths where the Java installed. As here I set Java underscore home and then enter the value C program files Java JDK. Open C program files and then click on Java JDK and then copy this complete path, paste here in variable value and enter variable name Java underscore home. After this, you need to set the path for environment variables. Just here enter Java underscore home and then backslash and then bin and then click on OK. You can easily set this environment variable. Now, I will show you how you can verify that Java installed in a machine and it's working properly. Open CMD and then enter Java dash version. Here you can view the Java version 12 is successfully installed in a system. If you are unable to get this version, it means you need to verify the environment variable. Then you can use the JMeter because you need to set the environment variables. Then you can run the JMeter. Let's now I will show you how to download the JMeter and then run JMeter. Open Chrome browser and search here Apache JMeter download. Click on download Apache JMeter. Now scroll down and here click on Apache JMeter and download this zip file. I have already downloaded this zip file. So now I will show you how to unzip this file and then right click on this Apache JMeter 5.6.3, extract files, and then click on OK. You do not need to install the Apache JMeter in a system. Just you need to open this folder, which is Apache JMeter 5.6.3, and then click open this bin folder and click on this Apache JMeter executable jar file. Now, JMeter will open. You do not need to install the JMeter. You just need to open this file. Here you can view JMeter has been successfully opened. In the upcoming tutorial, I will explore these options in JMeter. Thanks for watching this introduction on Apache JMeter. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to SQ World for more tutorials and tips.